friends, my name is Multithreading. So today's topic is multithreading. Multithreading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. Multiprocessing and multithreading both are used to achieve multitasking. However, we use multithreading than multiprocessing because threads use a shared memory area. They don't allocate separate memory area, so saves memory, and context switching between the threads takes less time than process. It's a programming concept in which application can create a small unit of task to execute in parallel. If you are working on a computer, it runs multiple applications. A simple program run in sequence and the code statement execute one by one. This is a single threaded application, but if the programming language support creating multiple threads, passing them to the operating system to run in parallel, it is called multithreading. How does Java supports multithreading? Java has great support for a multi-threaded application. Java supports multi-threading through thread class. Java thread allows you to create a lightweight process that executes some tasks. We can create multiple threads in our program and start them. Java runtime will take care of creating machine level instruction and through with OS to execute them in parallel. Different types of threads. There are two types of threads in application. User thread and daemon thread. When we start an application, the main is the first user thread created. We can create multiple user threads as well as daemon thread. When all the user threads are executed, JVM terminates the program. Then what is thread priority? When we create a thread, we can assign its priority. We can set different priorities to different threads, but it doesn't guarantee that a higher priority thread will execute first than a lower priority thread. The thread scheduler is the part of operating system implementation, and when a thread is started, its execution is controlled by thread scheduler, and JVM doesn't have any control over its execution. Then advantage. First is it doesn't block the user because threads are independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. Second is you can perform many operations together, so it saves time. Third is threads are independent, so it doesn't affect other threads in an exception occurs in a single thread. You can go through in sequence, learn everything about multithreading, its real life uses, thread life cycle, thread pool, etc. First is Java thread and runnable. It is a first post about the thread class and runnable interface. You will also learn about process and thread. What is the then second is Java thread sleep. Java thread sleep is used to pause the execution of the current thread. We will use thread sleep extensively in future ports. Then next is Java thread join. Sometimes we need to wait for other threads to finish their execution before we can proceed. So that's all about the multi-threading. Thank you.